In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from your Revolut account to a bank account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what details to enter, and what to expect once you hit send. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone. From the home screen, look to the bottom menu and tap Transfers. This is the section where you move money to and from your Revolut account, so everything related to sending funds will be here. Next, tap New to begin a fresh transfer. This opens the options for who you want to pay and how you want to send the money. To move money to a traditional bank account, choose Bank Recipient. This tells the app you're sending to a bank account rather than to another Revolut user or a saved contact. Now enter the recipient's bank details. The most important piece is the IBAN, which is the international bank account number used in many countries for bank transfers. You can usually find it in the receiving bank's app or on a bank statement. Type it carefully, as a single incorrect character can cause delays or a failed transfer. Depending on the country and currency, the app may also ask for details like the recipient's full name, the bank's name, or a BIC or SWIFT code. Make sure the name matches what the bank has on file and that the currency is correct for the account you're paying into. Once you've saved or added the recipient, enter the amount you want to withdraw from Revolut. If your Revolut balance is in a different currency from the receiving account, the app will show the exchange rate before you send. Take a moment to confirm you have sufficient funds and check if any fees apply based on your plan and the type of transfer. Before you complete the transfer, review all the details on the confirmation screen, double-check the recipient's name, the IBAN, the currency, and the exact amount. When everything looks right, tap Send to finalize the transfer. You may be asked to confirm with your passcode or biometrics as an added security step. After you send, the money will be transferred from your Revolut account to the bank account you selected. Processing time varies by bank, country, and currency. Some local transfers arrive the same day or the next business day, while international transfers can take a few business days. Weekends and public holidays can also add delays. And that's it. You've just learned how to withdraw money from Revolut to a bank account. Open the app, go to Transfers, tap New, choose Bank Recipient, enter the IBAN and details, set the amount, review, and tap Send.